For question number 30, I want to combine these logarithms using the product rule. So this will be log of x squared minus 3x. So I'm multiplying the insides. And then I want to transform this. So we don't see a base here, and when we don't see a number, it's implied to be 10. So this transforms into 10 raised to the 1 is equal to x squared minus 3x. And I see that I have an x squared term and an x term. So I'm going to try to get everything onto one side, 0 on the other, and then factor. So I'm going to move that 10 over, and this will be x plus 2 times x minus 5. So set x plus 2 equal to 0, set x minus 5 equal to 0, x is equal to negative 2, x is equal to positive 5. And then if I check these back in the original, negative 2 makes this logarithm a negative number. It also makes this one a negative number. But as soon as it makes one of them a negative or 0, you need to throw it out. If you plug in 5, it's okay in this one, and 5 minus 3 is 2, which is okay in this one. So 5 will be our solution. Now I want to very quickly talk about one of the most common mistakes, and that is at this stage here, a lot of people will just say x squared minus 3x is equal to 1, and just ignore the logarithm and then move the 1 over and then try to factor that. But we cannot do that because the 1 is not on the inside of a logarithm. So if it was log of 1, then you could do that, but with it just being a 1, you really need to transform it to get rid of the logarithm.